here at Mulki, one of the famous centers for surfing and one of the pioneering places for surfing in India. It's a beautiful evening. The sun is about to set probably in about an hour or so, and surfing lessons are happening over here. There's a quiet stretch of coastline in Karnataka where the Arabian Sea rolls in gently, unhurried, almost inviting you in. This is Mulki tucked away between the cities of Mangalore and Udupi. Join us as we discover surfing in Mulki, the waves, the culture, the people, and the experience that made us fall in love with this coastal gem. Much of Mulki's surfing identity can be traced back to Surfing Swami Foundation and the Mantra Surf Club. Founded by Jack Habner, fondly known as Surfing Swami, the foundation introduced surfing to this region with a vision far greater than just riding waves. Mulki has over time emerged as a surfing capital of India. While there are a few surfing clubs in Mulki that offer lessons for beginners, the pioneering name that stands out is the Mantra Surf Club. Mantra Surf Club offers a range of well-structured surfing courses designed for all skill levels, from complete beginners to intermediate riders. We had chosen an introductory session, a brief engagement lasting just a couple of hours. Along with a small group of fellow surfers, we boarded a boat from the Mantra Surf Club campus and, after a brave 15-minute ride, disembarked on a quiet stretch of sandy shore. From there, we walked for nearly a kilometer to the spot where the surfing boats were stored. Balancing our boards on our heads, we made our way towards the inviting expanse of Mulki Beach, where the sand, the sea, and a long anticipated surfing lesson awaited us. Before you do the tip, yeah, do the tip, and you're going to find it, then you're going to arch, straight, back, yeah. Before entering the water, you are thoroughly briefed on the fundamentals of surfing. And soon the moment that we had all been waiting for arrived. We lugged our surfing boards and moved towards the tantalizingly inviting waves of Mulki Beach. We were soon in the water, playfully engaging with the waves, clinging to our boards, attempting to mount them, tumbling off and clambering back again with renewed determination. Time seemed to dissolve between falls and fleeting successes, until at last we managed to hold our stance, standing upright and gliding across the waves for a few precious seconds. Surfing in Mulki is exhilarating. The sun slowly dipped behind us into the waters of the Arabian Sea, bathing the horizon in deep crimson and gold, and lending the moment a quiet, almost magical grandeur that lingered long after we left the water.